Do you have split ends, dry, dull, frizzy hair with breakage and tangling? These are all telltale signs that you might be suffering from hair damage. This is caused by heat styling, chemical treatments, environmental stresses that we all face daily. To prevent and treat damaged hair, it is essential to use the correct products to care and repair our hair. Herewith our top product suggestions to help with that damage repair. K18. It is the first hair care product to use biometrics to scientifically heal all types of hair damage. Damage Undo is a modern solution for long hair care and expertly formulated and clinically proven with Curaboost trademark technology throughout the range. Chromaplex facilitates the repair of damaged or compromised hair with fiber bond technology. Select your ultimate hair solution to help you on your hair care journey. Click on the link below.